Good morning, it's day 2 here on the Avalon Panorama. We feel like new men. We have slept so
Oh my God, tell me about
hard.
it.
Yeah, after dinner last night, we went straight to bed and we slept right through into our alarm this morning. This morning, we are going to go and grab some breakfast really quickly now, but we haven't got very long because the first tour of the day starts at 8:30, which is going to be a hike through the forest. So come along with us and see what breakfast is like. So it's a bit of a trek, guys.
It's a bit of a trek.
Ship's so big.
All the way there.
The choice on offer for breakfast was great, from cereals and fresh fruit to a full American or English breakfast. You can also pick from several courses cooked fresh from the kitchen.
Where did you end up? Where did you go? Where do you stay? Do you feel happier this way?
So guys, I've just had some cereal, now I've just got a full English breakfast. Also they've got some breakfast specials, which today is hash brown with salmon, Belgian waffles, or eggs Florentine, or eggs Benedict, and you just order that from your server. So what did you get, David?
So I ordered some poached eggs. There's an egg station, so they do omelettes, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, fried eggs, all sorts of eggs. And you can just ask them and they'll make them fresh for you. Any sort of egg you want, really. Go wild. It's excellent.
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 So guys, we're off on our adventure for a hike down the Rhine Valley. It's a little bit rainy, isn't it, David?
It is a bit rainy, but we've been told that in an hour it'll be sunny, clear skies.
Lovely. Got a busy day today, guys, so we're going to be doing this hike, coming back for lunch and actually sailing to somewhere different.
I feel like I'm a secret agent or something with my earpiece.
No, look at our earpieces, we're so special.
Yeah guys, so in your room you'll find a lanyard and an earpiece, and you have to bring these with you on the tours.
We made our way by coach on a short journey to the beautiful hills filled with vineyards. It was the perfect way to start our day.
I'm creeping, creeping, creeping. Oh, I'm creeping, creeping. I'm creeping, creeping, creeping. Oh, so creeping, creeping.
Okay guys, so we've made it to our second viewing point on this morning's hike. We've got a beautiful view of the wine region and the Rhine River as well behind us. It's a really easy hike actually this morning. It's really fresh and the birds are all chirping, so it's a really lovely start to the day.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's a really, really nice start to the day.
Super pretty.
And we're really lucky actually because they've removed all the grass, so we can get a great view of the valley below us as well.
Look at that, guys, just beautiful. Proper scenic hiking here. Tell you what, you don't have to be too fit. We're only going to be walking about 4 miles today. So what's that, about 6 or 7 kilometres? But yeah, there is some quite steep parts, but grab yourself a good pair of trainers or walking shoes and you'll be absolutely fine. The guide will do it at your complete own pace as well. So if you need to slow down, just ask. There's a very good mixture of people on with us. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Super pretty.
It's really pretty, isn't it? We've come like really into like a walking bit as well, because before we were just on the road. And now we've actually got into the forest, yeah.
So yeah, most of the tours that we're going to be doing are the active ones, so things like this, so hiking, jogging, swimming, biking.
Biking. Yeah, there was a jogging tour as well. Or there's hiking tours, bike tours.
So much to do, isn't there?
It's just something that's a little bit different.
And guys, these are all actually included in the price of your cruise as well. So on a normal ocean cruise, for example, these would cost you sort of maybe $50 to $100 each.
Yeah. What an amazing way to start the day.
I know, right? Let's keep going, guys. Ow! I just got stung by a nettle.
This area is spectacular, offering panoramic views across the countryside and of the Rhine River. The rolling hills and valleys were mesmerising.
Hi guys, so we're here in the Vineyards. Look how beautiful they are. And we're just walking further down now. This is such a beautiful walk. Seriously spectacular. I love this as well, and not only having all of this beautiful scenery, you're actually keeping fit at the same time. It's been awesome, been really exciting. It's such a spectacular place. Really recommend doing the active things because it gives you an excuse to eat all that yummy food, plus burn off some calories. So we're going to go back to the ship now, grab some lunch, and then we're going to sail for our next destination where we're going to go off again. Can't wait.
So we've come to the end of our 5-kilometre hike this morning, and we're ending our tour here at the old monastery. Not a monastery anymore, and past it has been a psychiatric hospital, it's been a retreat, all sorts of different things. Today there's a market going on as well, an old craft market if you wanted to have a look around there, and it's just a little bit of an extra charge.
So guys, we're back in the room now just to drop off our things, and we're going to go straight down to lunch. So lunch today is on from 12:30 in the main dining room, and it's a buffet with a carvery station, so it sounds so nice. Your drinks are included during lunch and dinner, so you get beers, wines and soft drinks. So guys, you've got a live cooking station here. It's delicious. Got some nice roasting chicken.
We were super impressed with the lunch buffet. Everything was so tasty, from the fresh salads to the entrees. Just like breakfast, you can order a few set main courses from the menu.
Oh gosh guys, does this salad look tasty or what? So I got a Waldorf salad, a beef cold salad, some nice croutons.
I got exactly the same as you, Ben, and then there's also a choice of wines, which I might get the German rosé. Sounds quite nice. It's called Illusion Rosé.
Guys, this is the fresh hot pot soup, and it's so good. So it's cooked completely fresh. You select your ingredients and the guy cooks it for you and put it in a lovely soup. Delicious. It smells so good.
The pho is incredible. I don't think I've had pho on a cruise ship before, but it's some of my favourite foods, so absolutely delicious, and I love the fact you can choose what you want in it.
So guys, I got so overexcited because the desserts came out that I've already like half eaten my eclair. Trust me, this was a normal length eclair. Delicious, really good, and we've got a parfait to share. It smells super fresh. They've also got ice cream cones as well, with nice waffle cones and loads of caramel sauces and stuff. Oh my god, I am in heaven. I didn't realise the food would be so good on a river ship. Amazing. Fabulous. Finished dinner, got some lovely ice cream in a waffle cone. It's hazelnut ice cream with some nuts on top and some strawberries, or monkey's blood as we call it up in the northeast of England. They also had a lemon flavoured ice cream as well. You could have it in a bowl or with fruit. Delicious. So now we're just going to go and chill out for a while. We're due to set sail to our next port in about half an hour, and that's going to take a few hours. Then we're going to get off the ship again. I can't wait.
We set sail for the first time to experience what river cruising is all about.
So there we are guys, we are off.
Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I feel dead posh sat here with me, empty glass of wine. I feel like I should be waving to the people. This is absolutely lovely. There's a real nice breeze coming through as well.
Oh, we're just turning around as well. How cool is this?
Yeah, so we discovered yesterday you always have to dock into the stream, into the flow of the river, so we're actually turning around now. So I didn't know, a little interesting fact.
Oh, it's a bit bumpy when we turn because we're like going against the grain.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Gorgeous.
Though. It's so relaxing. And the nice thing is as well is like you can literally not even get out of bed and still enjoy like the sailing, because you can just lay in bed and open up these huge doors.
It's cool, isn't it? You can see all the people in the cars on the bridge.
We're going so fast as well. Like,
we are
really
going fast, aren't we?
I thought it'd be like super slow.
Me too.
Like little oars were going to come out the side and start.
Here we go. There's the bridge, guys.
Oh my god, I feel like I can touch it.
Guessing there's going to be plenty of those coming. So guys, this is what it's all about, isn't it? I'm sat here laying in bed and look at that view. As we said, the bed is pointing straight towards the windows, which is a genius idea. What's really nice about this is that we found another type of holiday that's completely different to ocean cruising that we really enjoy. So we can mix things up a little bit. I mean, we've only been on here for 24 hours now, but already I can tell that I really like it. It's got very, very subtle similarities to ocean cruising, but at the same time it's completely different. They are so tasty. The Avalon donuts are to die for. Seriously, is that like the lightest thing you've ever tasted?
Oh, it is really light.
It's delicious, and they're not too sugary either. They're just got a little bit of sweetness.
Tastes like clouds.
Tastes like clouds.
It's not long before we arrive at the scenic town of Rudesheim, located right in the centre of the wine region.
So we've arrived at our second port of call. It's Rudesheim. I'm really nervous about saying it because I said it wrong. We have got to make a dash because we're going to get the train into the town, and that leaves in about 10 minutes. And then I think we might do the cable car, so come along with us. Port 2, let's go.
It's a bit tight, isn't it, guys? We're going down the most narrow street ever, but it's like super narrow. It's like, hello, we're in your restaurant now.
You can pop your hand out.
Pass me a coffee.
Pass me a glass of wine.
This is very close. Look. Ah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at the end of our tour.
So we've made it into the town of Rudesheim. It's a small historic winemaking town. It only has about 10,000 inhabitants, but as you can see, it gets very busy with tourists from Germany and from all around the world. It's a really popular destination. So some of the things you're going to see is some of the historic streets. There's a lot of wine tasting options here. We're going to try out the cable car, and there's a Christmas shop that's open all year round. So let's go and have an explore of this cute, fantastic little town.
Let's go. So guys, here we are at the cable car, literally just here. It looks terrifying. You should see the size of the carriage. It's actually an €8 return to go there and back, or €9 if you want to do the chairlift as well. I haven't seen the chairlift yet, so I'm not going to commit because it might be terrifying. I've got a feeling it's going to be like a ski chairlift.
It is.
Which I've never done before, but we'll give it a try anyway. But it looks so lovely. So yeah, this is going to take us up the Geminian mountain. See how I pronounce that very, very quickly because I don't know how to pronounce it.
It's like that airline.
Geminian. So we're going to go up the Geminian mountain. Oh, here we go, guys. Let's get in, sit in. Oh. Are you scared?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Well, there's no going back now. The doors have closed. Oh my god, I can see what's coming.
And don't forget, you can support us on Patreon, where you can help us make more content and get great rewards like early access to our videos. Join us next time.
I cannot believe I just said really smoothly.
We face our fears and visit a beautiful castle at sunset. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you're notified when we upload a brand new video. Until next time, happy cruising!